Aloha and welcome back to Hainao Daily. Construction in Hawaii is more than building homes and infrastructures. It's about laying down a solid foundation where Hawaii communities can thrive. And joining me now, we have Amanda Canada, publisher with Building Industry Hawaii magazine, and Glen Kaneshige, president of Nordic PCL Construction. How's it going, you two?
Aloha. Aloha, Rachel.
Aloha. Let's talk story. I know that you folks are highlighting the top 25 contractors here in Hawaii. Can you talk a little bit about why that's important?
Sure. So Building Industry Hawai magazine actually has been documenting the industry to the construction industry for 72 years. But 40 years ago, we thought it was important to really highlight to the public who the leaders are in the industry. Hence, we started ranking the top 25 contractors each year. So that's something that we feel is important because it's those people who are building our communities, our homes, our hospitals, schools, roads, and it affects the entire state.
Absolutely. It's a pillar is what we were talking about earlier. It's an economic pillar of Hawaii. So having the construction industry thriving and booming is important to all of us because we're all together in this. We know people in the industry, and it goes out like veins, right?
Sure.
Can you talk a little bit about that importance of having it as a pillar here in Hawaii?
Well, you know, Hawaii's one of the largest drivers of the GDP here. And we steadily employ about 40,000 people in Hawaii every year. So, you know, we are a major market driver here in Hawaii, and we create a lot of jobs, and we create all the buildings, the schools, the hospitals, the homes, the shopping centers that people all live in, shop in, learn in.
Right. And then you're going to be recognized as one of the top 25 contractors. How special is that? You probably get recognized all the time, right?
Well, I mean, it's nice to be recognized as one of the top 25. And it kind of reaffirms to us that we're doing something right that allows us to sustain ourselves at the size that we are so that we get that recognition. But again, it is a nice thing to get recognized.
Well, congratulations. You also talked about employing 40,000 people here in Hawaii. What is the workforce like in Hawaii? And, you know, is there room for growth and for more people to come on?
There's plenty of room for growth. Workforce development is the industry's largest challenge right now. We just don't have enough of the people, the experienced people in the industry, and there's huge opportunity for young people to consider entering the construction industry, whether it's in a trade craft like being a carpenter, plumber, electrician, or working for a company like us, which is, you know, doing project management and engineering.
I love that you mentioned opportunity because this is such a great way to get into that field, to start working with other professionals around you. And with the top 25 contractors luncheon that's coming up, the proceeds from that event, some of that's going to go to some of the programs that you guys have with HPU, yes?
Correct, yes. So 4 years ago, we decided to honor the top 25 contractors all in one room together and make it an annual event. And so that's what is coming up. It's called the Top 25 Contractors Luncheon. But, you know, it's wonderful to honor the recipients, but also we didn't want it to be us just making revenue on it. We wanted to turn our event into something that could give back to the industry. So we recognized that our event, the proceeds, we could have those proceeds go to the, it's the education fund that supports the first master's program in Hawaii, the first and only, which was launched at HPU in 2024. It's called the General Contractors Association of Hawaii Master. It's the Construction Management Master's Program.
Wow.
And so, yep, it's at HPU, and we've had 25 students enrolled since its launch.
That's what it really is about, is being able to shine the light on this profession, and it's open and available with the help of you guys funding HPU in this program, and it's just a fantastic job to be in, especially if you said there's 40,000 jobs, more to come, and we see buildings going up all the time. We see a lot of people working on their homes, so we need a lot more people out there working with you folks. So this is going to be a great opportunity for them, not only for your luncheon to be highlighting the 25 contractors, but it's going to be great for them to take advantage of that program at HPU as well. So mahalo, you two, for joining me for all the information, and congratulations.
Thank you, Rachel.
Thank you so
All
much.
right. We're going to have details on HaiNowDaily.com. Enjoy your folks' luncheon next month.
Thank you.
Mahalo.
Mahalo. We're going to take a break. We'll be right back.